Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your landing pages with Unbounce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Once on your dashboard, locate the Create New button. Click on it to start a new landing page project. Choose a template that suits your campaign goals. You can filter templates by industry or purpose for better options. After selecting a template, click Edit. This will take you to the drag and drop builder. Familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side, you will see a panel with various elements. Drag and drop elements like headlines, text boxes, and images onto your page. Customize each element by clicking on it. In the right panel, you can change fonts, colors, and sizes. Make sure to write a compelling headline that captures attention. Add relevant images to create visual appeal. Incorporate a clear call to action button. Make that button stand out with contrasting colors. Adjust the layout to ensure a balanced design. Preview your landing page by clicking on the Preview button. Review how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. If everything looks good, click Publish. You will need to choose a domain for your landing page. Once your page is published, copy the URL for your marketing efforts. Monitor the performance using Unbounce built-in analytics tools. Make adjustments based on data and feedback for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.